Oh, 3 I missed. What's happening, y'all? Me and Hannah out here on a dove shoot, just me and her for once. We her mother is keeping the kids for us. This is supposed to be a sure enough barrel burner right here. Supposed to be a lot of birds in here, so hopefully we'll get some good shots for y'all. Let's see what happens. Oh! Missed another one. Oh! Beast mode. Oh, here's one.
Actually, there's a little mode strip out there. If I landed in that.
I don't think you'll find him.
What you gonna do if I do find him?
Celebrate.
Oh, no.
Here comes one. Get your camera ready. Did you see where he fell?
Yeah.
But I didn't watch. I was trying to shoot that other one. See where he fell?
Yeah.
Golly, here he comes. Should have got that one.
Yeah, I got it.
That one's getting tenderized. If he's sick. Yeah.
Did you get it?
Yeah. He's high as hell.
I filmed it, but I didn't see it go down.
We know where that one's at. Ooh, right here. I think if we went out there in that field, here comes 2. Get ready. Ah, I missed the second one. Nope, right here.
I didn't get it.
You could go back and get our chairs and batteries and cigars, my lighter. Here comes one, get ready. Wow, 3 I missed. Dang, I can't catch them. Wow, 3 I missed. Dang. Hurts my hand when I hit my hand.
Oh, yeah.
He didn't make it. He must have landed. Nope, here he is, right here. Huh?
I lost him.
Right here, Danny. Don't call you bird dog?
Yeah, I'm not a bird dog.